Gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great joy to welcome you to the official commissioning of our factory, Colexa Biosensor Nigeria Limited, the first of its kind, the first in vitro diagnostics company in Sub-Saharan Africa.
Codex Pharma Limited is one of the fastest growing pharmaceutical companies in Nigeria with over 50 NAFDAC registered products.
From Colexa Biosensor, we present to you on-point blood glucose meter and on-point blood glucose strips. Now, I'm really proud to say that this product is proudly made in Nigeria for Africa, evaluated, approved, and registered by NAFDAC.
Biosensor is a gadget that can measure and sense the biological activities within a living human being.
Today, we have a company here that is homegrown and stands as the first company to produce and support in the health sector the treatment and management of diabetes.
So Sami and Lekan, what you have done is an exemplification of that vision that we locally manufacture. We innovate, we do research and development, but we manufacture in our country and also for the continent.
Today gives us a turning and defining moment in the pharma industry.
Finally, I thank everyone in attendance today who has, out of their busy schedules, find time to grace this occasion. I pray for God's protection over you as you return home. Thank you.